memes are back
with a new topic in your EVS subject.
But before that,
It's quiz time. Children, who is known as the father of our nation? सोचो बोलो बोलो.
yes, Mahatma Gandhi.
And now let's move towards our today's topic. That is
Wild animals. Children, let's explore the jungle. Come here, I will show you something. Let's go. In jungle, what can you see, children? Yes, animals. So, here, can you see?
I am a lion. I am the king of the jungle.
आइए वो देखिए, वो पेड़ की टहनियों पे कौन लटक रहा है. चलिए देखते हैं.
I am a monkey and I jump from tree to tree.
तो चलिए देखते हैं जंगल में और कौन कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं. अरे वो कौन है? वो कौन सा एनिमल है?
I am a bear. I like honey.
तो चलिए देखते हैं जंगल में और कौन कौन से एनिमल होते हैं. अरे ये कौन है?
I am a tiger and I am the national animal of India.
Now let us know more about wild animals. Wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live in forest, jungle or in nature and hunt their own food and water. Wild animals are also found in a zoo and many of us must have visited zoo और हमने वहाँ पर कई सारे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स देखे होंगे, है ना बच्चों? Wild animals are dangerous. Now let's learn more in details about wild animals. Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion lives in a den. The lion roars very loudly. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a national animal, tiger. And we can see orange and brown strips on its body. They are good swimmers. The tiger also roars. Next is elephant. It is a huge animal and it has a long trunk and tusk. Tusk यानी कि elephant के teeth. It has big ears. It likes to eat grass, fruits, bamboo and sugarcane, as well as it likes to take bath in lakes and rivers. Next is zebra. Zebra is also a wild animal, but it likes to eat grass. It has black and white strips on its body. Zebra crossings are named after the black and white strips of zebra. Zebras stand while sleeping. Next is giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal on land. It has a long neck. Though giraffe is a wild animal, it likes to eat grass and juicy leaves. Monkey. Monkeys are clever social animals. Monkeys like to eat banana, nuts, seeds, and flowers. They even eat insects. They like to jump from one tree to another tree. Then comes bear. Bears have large bodies and short tail. Even though bears are big and heavy animals, they can run very fast and are also good at climbing and swimming. They are intelligent too. They like to eat honey, berries, grass, etc. The next is deer. Deer are excellent jumpers and swimmers. Deer eat nuts, grass, and leaves. They have golden and white dots on its body. Then fox. Fox lives in a jungle, in a den, and it is also a wild animal. Now let us learn the spellings. Lion. Lion. Lion again. Lion. Lion. Then tiger. 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 Again. Tiger. Tiger. Then elephant. 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 Again. Elephant. Elephant. Zebra. 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 Again. Zebra. Zebra. Next is giraffe. 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 Again. Giraffe. Giraffe. Next is monkey. 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 Again. Monkey. Monkey. Then bear. 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 Next deer. Der. Deer. Again. Der. Deer. And the last is fox. 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 And we have already learned in O sound words in English. Okay, kids?
Now take your EVS book and open page number 5050. Let's read out the heading. Wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle. Wild animals कहाँ पे रहते हैं? जंगल में. We can see wild animals in a zoo. और हम wild animals को zoo में भी देखते हैं. Most of wild animals are dangerous. और कई सारे wild animals तो खतरनाक भी होते हैं. Lion is called the king of the jungle. यानी जंगल का राजा कौन होता है? Yes, lion. Now, let's read out the names of few wild animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, zebra, giraffe, monkey, bear, deer, fox. And now on your next page, that is page number 5151, we have playway exercises. And let's read out. Look at animals in the zoo. Fill in the blanks by writing the correct animal spelling. Here there is a blank space and you have to read the sentence and fill up the blank space with correct wild animal spelling. Right, kids? And ma'am will show you one example. Number 1. The dash is the king of the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle? Yes, lion. So you'll have to write the spelling of lion in this blank space. Right, kids? And the remaining exercise you will be doing with the help of your parents. Okay, kids?
Let's do writing practice. Children, you have already learned the spellings of wild animals and here you will do the writing practice. Okay, the first spelling is Lion, lion. Write 5 times below that and here stick the picture of lion. Next spelling is Deer, deer. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of deer. The next spelling is Tiger, tiger. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of tiger. Next spelling is Monkey, monkey. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of monkey. Next spelling is Elephant, elephant. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of elephant. Next Giraffe, giraffe. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of giraffe. Next spelling is Zebra, zebra. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of zebra. Next spelling is Bear, bear. Below that write 5 times and here stick the picture of bear. Children, in the last page, write the heading again, wild animals, and one by one you have to write all the spellings together. Here we have 8 spellings, right? And the 9th one is Fox, fox. See children, fox is also a wild animal and this spelling you have already learned in your O sound words in English, right children? So do practice for all the spellings. Take care. Bye bye.